Hello, and welcome back to The Artificial Professor. And today, we're here to tackle a topic that could change your life: quitting smoking. Smoking is a tough habit to kick, but you've taken the first step. Congratulations on making one of the smartest decisions of your life. Whether you've tried to quit before or this is your first attempt, we're here to guide you through 5 simple steps to help you quit smoking for good. But before we reveal these 5 steps, it is important to ask yourself, why do I want to quit? When you have a clear purpose for quitting, it will keep you motivated during difficult times. Some people do it for their kids or for their loved ones. Other people want to stay and feel healthy, while others do it to enjoy life better. Clearly think of your reason to quit, and you can even write it down for yourself. Step 1. Get support. Quitting smoking is much easier when you have someone in your corner. Talk to a friend or family member about your decision. Sharing your journey can make a big difference. Therapy is also a tool that is increasingly used these days. The most important thing to remember in this battle is that you are never alone. Step 2. Nicotine replacement. Let's talk about nicotine replacement. Think of nicotine as the bad guy in smoking. Nicotine replacements, like patches or gum, give you a safe way to gradually reduce nicotine cravings. Remember, it's about ending the addiction, not just switching sources. Step 3. Medications. When considering medications, ask your doctor about medicines like Zyban or Chantix. They can help ease cravings and withdrawal symptoms. But remember, they're not magic pills, you still need determination. Step 4. Combo treatments. Using multiple methods together can be powerful. Combine therapy, nicotine replacement, or medication for extra support. It helps keep cravings away. Step 5. Cold turkey. Some folks quit without any aids, around 90% actually. But it's tough, with only 5 to 7% succeeding long term. However, if you believe that this is your way, go for it. If you try this, stay strong and don't give up. Remember, quitting isn't easy, but it's doable. If you slip up, don't be too hard on yourself. Just get back on track. You've got this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to quit smoking. In this way, we help each other and make the world a better place. Thank you for watching another video of The Artificial Professor. For more informative content and updates, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Remember, you have the power to change your life for the better.